morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about lathe. This is the diagram of lathe. I will discuss first the main parts of lathe according to its working. I will start from headstock. This is headstock. In this headstock, there are various range of gears. Basically, these set of gears drives overall lathe machine. The motor is attached with this, and the working piece is driven with the help of headstock. Next part is chuck. This is the chuck. There are two types of chuck basically, 3-jaw chuck and 4-jaw chuck. So you can see in this diagram, this is a 3-jaw chuck. This chuck is used for holding the workpiece. Then this last part is called tailstock. This tailstock is used to support the workpiece. Suppose the workpiece is fitted in this chuck, and during the operation, this tool will force something, and workpiece may be bent. So supporting the workpiece, this tool post is used. One another use of tailstock is also the drilling purpose. Sometimes we need to drill at the face of workpiece. So in this tailstock, here we put the extra attachment called drill tool for the purpose of drilling. This overall part is containing various parts. You can see here, this is cross slide. It means this tool can move perpendicular to the workpiece. This is the compound rest. This is the responsible for overall movement of tool. This is tool post. Tool post is used for holding the tool. This lower part is called bed. This is basically for supporting the overall all parts. So this is heavy cast iron base for holding all the parts and for the balancing the lathe machine. This front part is called apron. Various mechanism, various wheels which is used to drive the overall compound rest or cross slide perpendicular or axis to the workpiece. This apron containing various wheels to control the movement of cross slide and compound rest. This rod is called lead screw. This is used for giving the automatic feed during the threading operation. There are many other parts also. This is carriage. Carriage contain overall all parts like tool post, compound rest, cross slide. This is crutch for controlling the movement of carriage. So these are the main parts of the lathe. And for the better understanding, we will need to go to the workshop and run live. For any confusion, you can contact me. Thank you.